Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nkuliso. Ngicela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe. Khuliso Mudau bafethu. I don't think there's a player obigger than uKhuliso Mudau. Ukuthi umfethu udlala emuva. If kumele ngikhulume ngaye every week, ngizokhuluma ngaye every week. Right now I'm watching igame, repeat igame yakhe izolo. What a performance for lo mjita lo. Akana mistake, no mistake, zero. Like iMamelodi Sundowns iba expose emuva uyoba saveayo. First 30 minutes already besekashaya ama-tackle ayi-3 a-powerful. I mean usave ama-potential goals laphana for i-TS Galaxy. Utracker back, ukhipha ibhola laphana seliyongena, uya phambili uqala ama-counter attacks, umake sure i-TS Galaxy phela ine-fire power in terms of i-attack, but uKhuliso Mudau single-handed laphana iMamelodi Sundowns defense i-expose, but-ke uyakwazi ukuyi-back up. Guess what, akupheleli lapho. Makuyiwa phambili ukhona for ama-assist, uyagijima laphana eceleni, ibhola likuye selise-18 ulifake 18, bayamuyisa bazama kuningi ubhizi yabo. If khona iplay elibhizi kuMamelodi Sundowns yilo le player leli. Bekangajimi makusaqala isizini, bekubonakala ngathi uzohamba kuMamelodi Sundowns because khona izinto bekangavumelani nazo, but iMamelodi Sundowns beyithi ayifuni ukumthengisa because of already bekunama-interest from ama-teams ase-North Africa. You know why? Because he's the best player in South Africa. Yazi kumele kusiyekele ama-team esiwafavorayo, but khona ama-player kumele sibone. Umjita kumele siwahloniphe and then is-highlight ama-good performances wawo. Umjita yi-superstar, super talent. Unfortunately-ke azange aye overseas, but-ke I mean udlala kuMamelodi Sundowns, asazi ukuthi uzohlala or uyahamba or kwenzakalani, cause kuthiwa kune-clause yeMamelodi Sundowns ukuthi banga-renew i-contract yakhe. Asazi ukuthi cause i-agent lakhe lo mlungu lowo bekukhulume nobani, ukhulume noPeter du Toit or ubani, ethi abakavumelani ne-contract kuMamelodi Sundowns, so i-renewal in terms of i-contract entsha laphana kuMamelodi Sundowns. We just have to wait and see if bazom-announce-a as ukuthi usayine i-contract entsha, cause maningi ama-teams angajabula ukuthatha uKhuliso Mudau cause ayikho i-right back eSouth Africa bigger and better than yena. And kunzima kakhulu mawudlala against uKhuliso Mudau, i-winger kuba nzima kakhulu kuba i-winger, cause mesibheka iMamelodi Sundowns iba exposed from i-left back, not i-right back. Mawufuna ukushaya iMamelodi Sundowns, you have to plan around oModiba because uyazi ukuthi oModiba ba-easily exposed, not uMudau. UMudau uzothatha kuye ibhola aqale i-attack. It's not easy ukudlala against loya muntu loyo, superstar. If khona umuntu ekumele simcelebrate ebholeni lase-South Africa, ayi uye loya muntu loya bafethu, ayi-star. Yabona makukhulunywa nge-star esisikhohlwayo, yabona makukhulunywa ngama-players agood kuMamelodi Sundowns awumcabangi nokumcabanga, but guess what, uye wenza umsebenzi more than lonke iplayer mina la kuMamelodi Sundowns. I don't think likhona iplayer la ku-Sundowns eli-better than yena lo muntu lo, elikwazi ukukhava i-distance than uKhuliso Mudau, alikho. Khona elinye iplayer engilibonayo ubani, uTsiki Ntshabeleng, is a good player. Bamnikile opportunity ukuthi aqale laphana kuMamelodi Sundowns against i-TS Galaxy. I mean i-movement yakhe, i-flair yakhe, usuper skillful umdlali, ulively man ukudlala. Kuyabona iMamelodi Sundowns ine-quality, hayi nge-quality bazokushaya, angibakike nge-quality bazokushaya. I mean obviously bengimdoubt mefika kuMamelodi Sundowns ngisho ukuthi ayikho-ke indaba yakhe lo. Why aya kuMamelodi Sundowns? Because i-competition kuMamelodi Sundowns i-stiff kanje, ngeke kube lula for yena ukuthi adlale, but-ke naye uyabonisa ukuthi there's something about yena, there's something iMamelodi Sundowns eyibonile kuye, that is why bakwazile ukuthi bamsayine from i-FC Dallas. I think if khona into esingayibheka ngeMamelodi Sundowns, ama-player bawasayinayo, they don't just sign ama-player just for fun ukuthi basayine ama-player, no, bakushaya ngequality. Siyazi ukuthi elinye iquality ligcine lingadlalanga kuMamelodi Sundowns, but yeah, abona bazokushaya ngequality, kushaya nge-proper quality. Tsiki, what a player, what a player, umfana wase-Davidson. Obviously kunama-big expectations from yena. Uke wadlala naku-Kaizer Chiefs bafethu ku-DDC team, uthi wahanjiswa ukuthi bebanganaplani lokuthi bamnike i-first team contract, and yiyo into yena bekafuna ukuyithola laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs i-guaranteed, but-ke abakwazanga ukumguaranteeya leyo contract leyo, wabona ukuthi hayi akahamba ayozama somewhere. But it's a game of football man. Izinto azihambi the way wena ufuna ukuthi zihambe ngakhona, and izinto azihambi ngesikhathi sakho, ngoba at the end of the day nawe umuntu nje, khona abantu abakhulu abakuthathela ama-decision noma bathatha ama-decisions, but yeah, it is what it is, man. But yeah, player alibuyile eSouth Africa, but uku-loan by the way uTsiki. Asazi ukuthi iMamelodi Sundowns izomnika i-permanent deal na, cause emagemini amaningi akakadlali this season to be fair. Abanye abantu ba-preferred more than yena. Mebe-fit. I think udlala manje because of uMabhena ngimbona ku-DDC team. uLetlaku ngimbone eyalimele, kusho ukuthi akakabi right uLetlaku. So it makes sense ukuthi bamnike ama-opportunities uthi uNtshabeleng. But yeah, he's a good player. I think uyadeserve ukuthola ama-opportunities amaningi ukuthi adlale nanokuthi like a-deliver for iMamelodi Sundowns. Yazi they're spoiled. Yabona i-team mayiswitche on i-team let's say iMamelodi Sundowns mabakwazile ukuswitcha on bayakwazi ukusiza i-team, cause I think weakest link for iMamelodi Sundowns or a weak link-ish, I would say i-defense yabo, because uma uphethe uTeboho Mokoena no-Allende powerful. Isikhathi esiningi baletha down ama-mistake wabo abawenzayo laphana ku-back four. Not from uKhuliso Mudau, it's very rare ukuthi umfethu abe namaphutha, but-ke i-central back laphana, i-center back yibo abafowethu laphana abanokwenza amaphutha bagcine bayaphanishiwa laphana. Isikhathi esiningi nje bathola, yabona if I think of uGrant Kekana ama-mistake awenzile even last season ko-CAF Champions League, giving amabhola away, even uRonwen Williams, there are moments la ubona khona ukuthi i-positioning yakhe i-bad, bekangakwazi ukwenza kangcono but akakwenzanga lokho. So ama-mistake wabo kumele bawalungise. Siyazi ukuthi this season they're trying to go for a continental level, even uThemba Zwane ushilo ukuthi bafuna ukuwina i-CAF Champions League. Are they ready? Well, it's not gonna be easy. Bane-squad esi-well equipped. Do they have a coach? Cause ungaba naso i-squad esi-right but mane i-technical team or management unaye na ucoach ozokwazi ukudlala, okuzokwazi ukuhlanganisa i-team ekwaziyo ukudeliver. I mean mawubheka laphana kuno-Resinho beka-suspended, Themba Zwane ulimele but uyabuya, uthe ubuya in the next 2 weeks, uKhoza ulimele, and then ubani Keegan naye, okay yena bathi akanalo i-plan, abanalo i-plan lakhe laphana kuMamelodi Sundowns at all. Okwamanje abana-plan for yena. But yeah, banama-player, like banama-player equally good, talented, are ready ukudlala whenever i-opportunities presenter. Yeah, bane-squad esi-right, bano-coach o-right, that's a big question. Badlale, but I wanna highlight this player uPhuso Dithejane bafowethu. It was not an easy game against iMamelodi Sundowns for yena, but still ube nama-moments. I think laphana first half le ngiyibonile first half ube nama-moments wakhe agudi la, I mean ngabe ukwazile even ukukora but unfortunately akakwazanga uku-convert ama-opportunities wakhe. But yeah, u-lively more than abantu abaningi laphana ku-Betway Premiership. Uyabonisa ngempela ukuthi iyi-player elizoba important kakhulu ebholeni lase-South Africa given ama-opportunities. But I think mina umfana ngaba right ukuya overseas to be fair, cause naye usaseku-phase yakhe uyokudevelopa ish, but I mean, but at the same time, I think ama-opportunities, let's say if uya ku-big team, le big team izomnika ama-opportunities the way i-TS Galaxy emnika ama-opportunities ngakhona, it's not guaranteed, we don't know. But what a player this season, what a player, I mean uyazibonakalisa umfana ukuthi is fearless, akasabi even ukudlala nama-big stars waku-Betway Premiership noma ku-PSL. Yabo ibhola libuhlungu, ibhola hayi ibhola lidaqiniso bafethu. uKhuliso Mudau ubuyile kuMamelodi Sundowns uyadlala. Well, he's one of my favorite players in South Africa, fine. But that time uKhuliso Mudau enenkinga neMamelodi Sundowns engadlali, kwakudlala umfowethu laphana ubani uMdunyelwa. Yes, kwakudlala yena laphana ku-right back, edlala kahle kakhulu waze waselekthwa kuBafana Bafana. Manje uKhuliso Mudau njengoba ebuyile akasayitholi i-opportunity yokuthi adlale. Uzoyithola kanjani? uKhuliso Mudau is the best in the country. You won't get an opportunity. So kumele yena alinde. Yazi sometimes ebhenchini wena uhlala ebhenchini but uyi-player eli-good ne. For uMdunyelwa for example, siyazi ukuthi wathinteka kancane kwi-injury but manje ubuyile, ngimbonile laphana ebhenchini leMamelodi Sundowns, but ngeke athola ama-opportunities. You won't be preferred than uKhuliso Mudau. There's no way. What Khuliso Mudau gives iMamelodi Sundowns bafethu is larger than like lo muntu udlalela ama-player awu-3 eyedwa, like ispace asikhava izinto azenzayo. What about uMdunyelwa-ke yena? Beseka kuBafana Bafana but ama-opportunities ngeke asawathola that much because of uKhuliso Mudau khona. Kwenziwa njani kule situation le? That is why elokhu njani e-Europe or ama-player nje sewasile manje nama-agent bathi mabasayina for i-team bathi basayine ukuthi iplayer lami kumele lidlale ama-match angaka this season. So yiwo ama-contract abawasayinayo. Because of you are given an opportunity to perform, you are able to perform, but-ke umuntu lo abampreferayo mebuya vele wena bavele baku-sideline, which is understandable. Ngeke uhlalise uKhuliso Mudau ebhentshini, akwenzeki. You'll be mad if udlalisa uKhuliso Mudau ebhentshini because of uyi-player eli-good kakhulu, uyi-player eli-super talented, uyi-player eli-contribute-ayo for i-team, uyi-player ngempela. I mean, even nakuBafana Bafana, even if i-team ayenzi kahle but yena yedwa uKhuliso Mudau uzombona ukuthi yazi lo muntu lo ukhona egrawundini. It's sad ukuthi we don't recognize like amajita or like abantu abama-defenders esikhathi esiningi ukuthi bagcine bawo-player of the season. Ku-rare ukuthi ubone i-defender kuthiwa i-player of the season. That is why ba-create manje ama-award a-different ukuthi defender, midfielder, in. But-ke when you look, you could easily see ukuthi okay, this one is super talented, but obviously there are opportunities. Khona yazi ungaba i-best player, ungaba i-good player but ungawatholi ama-opportunity because of lo muntu lo ukhompyutha naye thola ukuthi nibawu-3 ethimini, way better akawenzi amaphutha at all. Inkinga-ke i-case kani kamfethu laphana, who's this guy, uMdunyelwa. And then kuMamelodi Sundowns banama-options a-different bafethu, siyakwazi lokho. Uma ubheka ebhentshini sasenomkhulisi, a player super talented, but-ke squad laphana isho kunzima kakhulu. If like amanye ama-players awekho available, they're not playing at all, they're not there to be selected, but you still don't make like the first 11, that's a big problem. And then ba-replace u-Arthur Sales, uyabamfake laphana second half, uyoba-change-ela igame, wakwazi ukubatholela igoli. Really important for iMamelodi Sundowns. Siyazi ukuthi is expected ukuthi alide iMamelodi Sundowns to greater heights in terms of ukuthi a-take over from Lucas Ribeiro. But space la, I mean, what Lucas Ribeiro did for iMamelodi Sundowns, I don't think khona iplayer ezoyenza lento le. I mean, umjida, yeah, it was just larger than life kulaphana kuMamelodi Sundowns. Super talent, superstar. Mawubheka nje ibhola nama-contributions wakhe awenzile. So abadlali be-Sundowns, abo-Nuno Santos, they just have to focus ku-game yabo, bakhohlwe uLucas Ribeiro ukuthi u-achieveni kuMamelodi Sundowns, wenzeni. Bafocus nje uku-improve ama-game wabo going forward, ne-contribution yabo laphana kuMamelodi Sundowns, and then forget about what Lucas Ribeiro did, what he contributed. Bangaziphini against yena. Bese mengiyivala le clip noma le video noma whatever, ngiyivala ngoKhuliso Mudau ukuthi akalimali isikhathi esiningi futhi uKhuliso Mudau. I remember there was a game la bamthatha khona kubonakala ngathi ulimele, but guess what, he was available for i-selection for iBafana Bafana, bakwazi ukumselecta, wakwazi ukudlala. So there's no way Khuliso Mudau abe 100% fit abe available angadlali because of they know what he brings to a team, whether a national team or Mamelodi Sundowns. Sundowns, they are fortunate or lucky or privileged ukuba ne-player elifana noKhuliso Mudau. What a superstar. Danko bafethu, ngicela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe, making sure ukuthi le page siyalikhulisa lifika ku-15,000 subscribers. Danko.